Hello, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. The Srijan scam has embarrassed the Nitish Kumar government of Bihar, with the opposition alleging direct involvement of the CM and his deputy Sushil Kumar Modi. Well, the scam is about alleged transfer of government funds to an NGO called Srijan Mahila Sahyog Samiti in Bihar's Bhagalpur. The NGO used to earn a high rate of interest on government funds while keeping the principal amount absolutely intact. The NGO carried out this fraud for a period of 7 years between 2007 and 2014. Several reports peg the total worth of the scam to be over rupees 1,000 crore. According to the report, the NGO was working with bankers and treasury officials to secretly divert government funds into its own account and earn interest on the principal amount while leaving it as it is. In fact, the investigators are surprised as to how the NGO managed to carry out the fraud without getting noticed. The investigators suspect the involvement of the government in this, and Nitish Kumar has come under attack from the opposition. He ruled the state since 2005, while Sushil Modi was the state finance minister for most of the time when the alleged fraud took place. RJD chief Lalu Prasad Yadav has demanded a CBI probe into the matter and demanded the resignation of Deputy Chief Minister Sushil Modi. A PIL demanding CBI probe into the case has also been filed in the Patna High Court by advocate Manibhushan Pratap Sengar. Manibhushan has alleged that this is a scam worth over rupees 1,000 crore and top politicians and officials are involved in it. Lalu Prasad Yadav has levelled allegations against Nitish Kumar, BJP leader Sushil Modi, Shahnawaz Hussain, Giriraj Kishore and a few others. Lalu alleged that Nitish has joined hands with the BJP to save himself from the probe into the scam, while Nitish Kumar, who joined BJP saying that he could not tolerate scarring JDU's image for corruption charges, should better come up with an explanation now that he himself is caught in a scam. That's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.